2点。
Please fill in this immigration form for me.
请帮我填入境登记表。3点。
What should I fill in here?
这里要填什么？4点。
Please fill in the hotel name for me.
请帮我填旅馆名称。5点。
Please help me to fill in the declaration form.
请帮我填报税单。6点。
For house rent, should I go to a U.S. immigration for registration?
租房子需要到移民局报备吗？7点。
What's the matter?
怎么了？发生什么事了？8点。
What for?
为什么？9点。
Where do you live?
你住哪里？40点。
Can you speak English?
你会说英文吗？41点。
Are you sure?
你确定吗？42点。
May I have your business card or address and telephone number?
请给我你的名片或是地址电话好吗？43点。
Excuse me, how can I get to this address?
请问到这地址怎么走？44点。
How much?
多少钱？45点。
How far?
有多远？46点。
How long?
要多久？47点。
Do you have the time?
你知道现在几点吗？48点。
What time is it?
你知道现在几点吗？49点。
Is Mr. White at home?
怀特先生在家吗？50点。
May I speak to Mrs. Brown?
我找布朗太太